Okay, so this is the kitchen that's being renovated. I'm going to be removing all the cupboards and redoing it. What I'm standing in right now is essentially what I'm calling the mud room. So, looking at the tape. So we're looking at essentially the mud room. And what we'd like to do is basically have a wall starting about here, and then a door, and then we'll have this new kitchen area. So what we're going to be doing here is taking this out to about here. That's where the stack comes up. Or we might move the stack and come even further. We want to be able to open it up here better. So this floor is going to be all, what I'd like to have is radiant heat instead of this one radiator. This one radiator actually heats the whole area quite nicely, except as you get further over here where it starts getting a little cold, and underneath this cubby unit is a baseboard heater that's electric. Because this is part of everything here, is part of the addition. And this little part of the floor here is the wall that you'll see down below in the basement. So that's the original house here, the addition here. So there's a tape measure. So the length of a run that could be up to, we're good here, 20 feet, or the distance from here to here anyways. And the runs might start midpoint here at about 10. So we're going to go down to the basement. Yeah, here's another view of it. Those windows are going to be replaced. The walls are okay. Like I said, we get plenty of heat just from that one radiator for the whole area. The only other walls in this area are interior walls. So go downstairs. So this is the basement right now. It's all opened up right now, so the ceilings are all available. So this is the supporting wall that was at about the 10-foot mark of that tape measure. And you can see it's not accessible. And like I said, this is about 20 inches of stone and concrete. So these are the pipes here that are going up through the floor and going into that radiator. So these two size pipes here. Okay, you can see about the size of them. These two hot and the cold return. The hot and the cold return. So they go along here, and they go back to the furnace room, and they branch off to another radiator there. It's on the second floor, and they also branch off to, that's where it's branching off to this little radiator right here. Alright, so, and we go along, it's branching off to another radiator on the second floor, on the main floor, and here's our new Lennox. So, this is the unit. Hopefully you can see that. On there. I guess that's probably the pump. Alright. So, one pipe goes up. It's all painted white, fortunately for you. And then it goes, just branches out. So hopefully that's helpful for you to understand the situation. This basement's done in close foam insulation. It's like 4 inches, so it works out to R20. That's going to be all done. All right.